What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2016 Jeep Renegade. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. We want to take our panel removal tool, come down here on the side and pop off that. Once we use that, it's all held in by clips, so we're just going to take that front trim piece and lay it on the floor. Next, I think we have a T20 torque. We got 4 of those. We want to take those out. We can pull this all the way to the front, and with this one you want to pull it up. Got the dash kit on. There's literally only 2 side panels that go in on each side, and then once we get done putting that in, we're going to have this front trim piece that snaps in through the front. But as you can see, when we try to put it in, it's actually being blocked by that top ridge right there at the top, and we can't actually get to our mounting hole. So from this side right here all the way over to here, we're going to have to do some cutting. With that part being cut, and now that fits a whole lot better. So the wire harness we're using is the Maestro RR, and with the CH3T harness, this is going to allow us to retain the factory backup camera and all the other stuff. And that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys find any value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.